Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Today, we're diving into the Mycelium Bitcoin wallet, available at https://wallet.mycelium.com. This wallet offers a powerful and versatile platform for managing your Bitcoin, boasting an array of features designed for both newcomers and experienced users. One of the key advantages of the Mycelium wallet is its strong focus on security. By utilizing hierarchical deterministic (HD) key generation, Mycelium ensures that your private keys are securely generated and stored. This advanced cryptographic technique protects against loss or compromise, offering you peace of mind knowing your funds are safe. Furthermore, Mycelium emphasizes user privacy, allowing you to maintain control over your financial information. The Mycelium wallet is also known for its flexibility and compatibility with a wide range of hardware wallets. This interoperability allows you to seamlessly integrate your existing hardware security solutions, further enhancing the protection of your Bitcoin holdings. Beyond security, Mycelium offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of sending and receiving Bitcoin. Whether you're making a small transaction or managing a larger portfolio, Mycelium provides a clear and intuitive experience. Additionally, the Mycelium wallet integrates with various Bitcoin services and platforms, expanding its functionality and providing access to a wider ecosystem of tools and resources. This connectivity allows you to explore advanced features like decentralized exchanges and other decentralized applications, DApps, directly from your wallet. Another notable feature of the Mycelium wallet is its open-source nature. This transparency allows developers and security experts to scrutinize the code, ensuring its integrity and identifying potential vulnerabilities. The open-source approach fosters community involvement and continuous improvement, resulting in a robust and reliable platform. For users who prioritize privacy and control, Mycelium supports connecting to your own Bitcoin node. This feature bypasses reliance on third-party servers, granting you complete autonomy over your transactions and minimizing potential points of vulnerability. Mycelium continues to evolve and adapt to the changing landscape of the cryptocurrency world, offering a constantly improving experience for managing your digital assets. So, head over to https://wallet.mycelium.com to explore the Mycelium Bitcoin wallet and experience its powerful features firsthand. Remember to do your own research and consider your individual needs when choosing a Bitcoin wallet. And as always, thanks for watching Rome Tech.